Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel and in today's video I'll be sharing summer glow up tips. So ये मेरे personal tips and tricks हैं जो मैं summers में स्पेसिफिकली समर्स में करती हूँ. वैसे तो विंटर्स में भी प्रेफर करूँगी करना, बट स्पेसिफिकली अगर आपको समर में वो ग्लो चाहिए, वो विद इन वाला ग्लो चाहिए जिसमें ऐसा दिखे कि आपने ज़्यादा कुछ भी एफर्ट्स ना दिए हों बट स्टिल इट शुड लुक दैट you have given so many efforts. So if you're interested in watching such kind of videos, then do consider subscribing to my channel and also like and share and comment down below अगर आपको इस वीडियो में से कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो. If you ask me which is my one of the most important advices for the summer season, I think it would definitely be how you smell like. If you smell good, it automatically gives an assumption कि आप hygienic हो. सो अगर आप रोज़ अपने आप को ग्रूम करते हो, अपने चेहरे का ध्यान रख रहे हो, अपनी बॉडी का ध्यान रख रहे हो, बट अगर आप स्मेल नहीं अच्छा कर रहे हो, that is a very bad point. So if you smell good, that will automatically be like a cherry on cake. Of course you shower, you take care of your hygiene, that is also very important. But अगर एक अच्छा fragrance लगाओगे तो सोने पे सुहागा हो जाएगा. So if you ask me what I recommend, I would totally recommend the Plum Body Living Body Mist. So this is specifically for females and also the reason why I recommend this particular body mist, like इनका पूरा collection, not just this variant but also the other variants that are available in this particular range, they are just so good and they are so affordable. यानी affordability इतनी सही है इनकी, under 500, under 400. Are you kidding me? And it smells so good. I'm sure this particular fragrance beats the high-end fragrances. I have no doubts on that. I have used Bath and Body Works body mist, by the way, and I did not like it as much as I like this. I always go back to it. I have finished 4 to 5 bottles of it and it is just so good. I will never stop recommending it. It's very good. So yeah, this is priced at rupees, originally it is 525, but on a sale you can get it under rupees 500, which is like 450. So do check it out. Okay, coming to number 2 tip, which is also very unique, and I am not kidding you, but this is going to make you ditch your foundations and your BB creams. This is the tinted SPF. I don't know how many of you guys have like seen it or do you believe it, but I personally am convinced fully that this is the age of tinted moisturizers and tinted sunscreens, and here is a very good tinted sunscreen. If you've never used it, boy are you living under a rock. This is the Dot & Key tinted sunscreen daily wear, and this is so good. This is SPF 50 PA 4 times plus. So good. इसका जो texture है, it is like a water. I am currently wearing it on top of my foundation, यानी कि मैंने अपना फाउंडेशन तो लगाया है, which is like I use a pump of it, but उसके ऊपर मैंने इसको भी कवर अप कर लिया. Can you imagine how glowy my skin looks like? I mean, एक ऐसा रिफ्लेक्टिवनेस आ रहा है, ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे लाइट पड़ रही है और रिफ्लेक्ट होके वापस जा रही है. You get the point, right? So this is such a good sunscreen, and Dot & Key, you guys, Dot & Key makes the best sunscreens. I have loved and I still use their blue sunscreen because it is so good. The ceramide one, it is so good. You guys need to try Dot & Key sunscreens. If you haven't still found a sunscreen that suits you at all times, I think Dot & Key is your end destination. Tinted sunscreens use करना बहुत important है, बिकॉज नॉट ओनली आपको सनस्क्रीन मिल रहा है बट आपको एक टिंट का फॉर्मूला भी मिल रहा है, विच इज़ ग्रेट. अब अगर SPF की बात हो ही रही है, हाउ कैन आई मिस माई फेवरेट पार्ट, विच इज़ लिप बाम्स. आई लव लिप बाम्स, एंड अगर आप लिप बाम्स यूज़ करते हो और आपके लिप बाम्स में SPF नहीं है, you're surely doing something wrong. You need an SPF lip balm. It is so important. I don't care whether I go out of the home or whether I'm in the home, I of course need my lip balm, and if my lip balm has an SPF, it will make a whole lot of a difference. आजकल मार्केट में इतने सारे SPF lip balms आते हैं, आप कोई भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Personally, if I tell you, I haven't been able to find an SPF lip balm which suits me perfectly. यानी कि I have still not found my love for like that SPF lip balm. I hope I find it soon. It will not only act as a good lip balm but also एक लिप्स को प्रोटेक्शन मिलती है जब आप एक अच्छा लिप बाम यूज़ करते हो जिसमें SPF होता है, एंड वो बहुत ज़रूरी है बिकॉज आप धूप में जाने वाले हो, धूप इतनी पड़ रही है, आपके लिप्स डैमेज होने वाले हैं, आपकी स्किन डैमेज होने वाली है, एंड यू डोंट वांट दैट मोर. सो इन दैट केस such good lip balms that contain SPF have my heart, and yeah, I think if in future मुझे कोई अच्छा SPF lip balm मिलता है I will totally recommend it to you guys. Okay, so ये जो next tip होने वाली है, this is related to my body. यानी कि I have always had those bumpy itchy bumps. I don't have it now, but मेरे को ना यहाँ पर इस section में ऐसे छोटे छोटे रेड बम्स हो गए थे विच जो शेविंग के बाद नहीं हो जाते बिल्कुल वैसे बम्स, एंड बिकॉज आई शेव्ड ऑल्सो, बट या ऐसे गंदे वाले जो बम्स होते हैं विच यू इच एंड देन दे टर्न रेड एंड दे बिकम वेरी वियर्ड एंड इरिटेटेड. लाइक यू कैन फील कि वो इरिटेशन जो आपकी स्किन में होती है उन बम्स को इच करने से कितनी इरिटेटिंग होती है वो, एंड आई हैव गॉट यू जस्ट योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड फॉर दैट. This is a glycolic acid 8% exfoliating liquid. You guys need it. You need it. I'm just informing you guys. It is so good. It is literally like water, simply water. I will take a few. Okay. The consistency is like a water. Doesn't feel like anything. I will massage it. बस ऐसा सिंपली मसाज कर लेना है एंड यू आर गुड. You are done. Your bumps are gone the next day. You can of course layer it up with some body lotion as well, which is important, करना ही करना. बट अगर आप इसे रात में करते हो तो ये बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक इसे लगाओ, लोशन को लगाओ, सो जाओ, नेक्स्ट डे यू विल गेट अप विद सच अ स्मूथ स्किन. एंड आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग यू गाइज. ग्लाइकोलिक एसिड इज सच अ माइल्ड एक्सफोलिएंट बट इट इज सो इफेक्टिव. आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड ऑन द फेस. किया होता तो मैं बता देती, बट बॉडी के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा है. वो जो छोटे बम्स को ट्रीट कर देता है ना, लाइक within a day my bumps were gone, like no marks, nothing, the bumps were gone, and it was such an easy process because it is like water, so it's not going to be heavy on your skin. It's super lightweight and sticks to your body perfectly. So yeah, I would totally recommend it. The one that I have is from Minimalist. So आप मिनिमलिस्ट का भी ले सकते हो, बट मैंने ऑर्डिनरी भी यूज़ किया है. इट इज़ ऑन द लिटिल एक्सपेंसिव साइड but it is also very good. Like the bottle is much more huge and it is equally good. So if you want to try out something on the high end side and if you want to spend that much, then you can totally check out the ordinary one. But if you want to go on affordable side, then minimalist one is also very good. I love it. It's just as good as the ordinary one, no difference. This is in the smaller size and it's for under 500 rupees, so it's also very good. Last but not the least tip that I have for you guys is double cleansing. Whether you wear makeup or whether you don't wear makeup, you need to still double cleanse. So double cleansing होता क्या है, तो आप basically या तो मिसेलर वाटर या एक ऑयल क्लेंजर को अपने फेस पे रब करते हो, उसे मसाज करते हो, and then you wash it off and then you go in with a normal face wash and you wash your face off. So this is called as double cleansing. So once I am done with my makeup and I want to remove it, I will use this. This is the Klairs makeup this is the Gentle Black Deep Cleansing Oil. This is so good because I have used a lot. You can tell my love for this is unbeatable, but the only problem with this one is that this is little on the expensive side. This is actually very expensive. This is originally priced at rupees 1600 on Nykaa, but on a sale I got it for like 1200 and this will last you. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने बस एक बार परचेज किया and that is it. I will use this product forever because this is just so good and काफ़ी बचा हुआ है. I mean काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी बची है इसकी, so I can definitely use it. Great product, removes all my makeup and also once I start massaging it, it removes the whiteheads and blackheads जो यहाँ पर होते हैं मेरे को, because I have so many pores here and here on my face. तो जब मैं इसे लगा के बिल्कुल मसाज कर लेती हूँ अपने हाथों से तो 5 मिनट लगता है मेरे को मसाज करने में, but once I massage and wash off, boy, my skin is so soft. So this is a very good cleansing oil. Do check it out. मेरे पास actually कोई affordable recommendation नहीं है because I've still not come across a good drugstore cleansing oil. This is great if you want to invest. You can invest. It will last you for 6 months straight. So yeah, you just need a pump of it and you're sorted. Great product. But if you're an oily skin type and you need something more lighter, something that is more on the watery side, I think Bioderma's micellar water is great. This is the Bioderma micellar water in the smallest size. This is for like 300 rupees. I also have this in the bigger bottle, which is for 500 rupees. Great micellar water. I know this is also very expensive. Garnier one is way cheaper than this, but Bioderma is very good. ट्रस्ट मी, इनकी मिसेलर वाटर की क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी होती है, इतनी ज़्यादा इजीली मेकअप रिमूव हो जाता है, ये रिएक्शन कॉज नहीं करता. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी मच लाइक अ वाटर, फील्स लाइट वेट. आई कैन स्टिल यूज इट बट बिकॉज I like using cleansing oil, so I use that instead of this. But this is also something that I can use every now and then if I want to. If my skin is very oily, I will use this also because again बहुत lightweight है, gentle है, easily cotton pad पे rub करके makeup पूरा remove हो जाता है. So this is great. You can totally check this one out. And yeah, with this we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked watching the video, and if you did, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also अगर आपको इस तरीके की वीडियोस और चाहिए, I will definitely make a more recommendations video for you guys because I totally think that I have so much to share about recommendations and reviews of products. So yeah, that is it. Bye guys, see you next time.